Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. As usual, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. We actually have several notable earnings to look at this morning, and we'll see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you haven't yet already, make sure you head over to the TipRanks website and check out the newly launched technical graph. You can find this on the left-hand menu under Chart. It offers a ton of different study views, plenty of chart types, and unique TipRanks data, including the timing and details of analyst ratings. So take a quick minute to check out all of those great features and let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning ahead of CPI data to be released later today. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.65%, S&P 500 futures up 6.3%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.35%. The Bank of New York Mellon launched its digital asset custody platform yesterday. Through this platform, some of the bank's U.S. clients will be able to hold and transfer cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a milestone moment for the banking industry, as they will be the first bank to store the client's private keys needed to operate and transfer the crypto. The bank will also offer bookkeeping services on their Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings, similar to services offered to institutional clients for their portfolios of various commodities. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 29%. Department store chain Kohl's is once again under pressure from activist investor McCallum Advisors for a change of their board. Citing people familiar with the matter, the Wall Street Journal reported that the company is being asked to replace 3 or more long-term directors, including their chairman, Peter Boneparth. McCallum, who owns about a 5% stake in Kohl's, has warned the company of another proxy fight if the board changes are not made. They feel that Kohl's long-serving members lack retail experience and that they are the root cause of the board's poor oversight and insular thinking. Analysts currently rate the Kohl's stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 33%. And shares of Moderna were on the rise after Merck said they would be exercising an option to work with them on a personalized cancer vaccine. Merck will pay Moderna $250 million for the joint development and future commercialization of the vaccine, which is currently in phase 2 trials. The vaccine is tailored for each patient and generates a response based on the specific mutation signature of each person's tumor. Analysts currently rate the Merck stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 12%, while they rate the Moderna stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 80%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Taiwan Semiconductor, who posted upbeat results for their third quarter, but a muted outlook for the future. For Q3, their revenue came in at $20.23 billion, up over 35% year-over-year, beating analyst estimates of $19.1 billion. Earnings came in at $1.79 per share, beating the $1.65 expected. Their CFO said that moving into the fourth quarter, they expect their business to be flattish as their end market demand weakens and customers' ongoing inventory adjustments. Analysts currently rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 315%, which is being brought up a lot by a very bullish price target from last month that has an over 1,000% upside. We've heard from Delta Airlines, who did beat on revenues but slightly missed on earnings. Their Q3 earnings came in at $1.51, which was 2 cents shy of estimates. Revenue came in at $13.98 billion, which was up nearly 53% year-over-year and $360 million ahead of analyst expectations. For Q4, they're expecting their capacity to be up 5 to 9%. Analysts are currently rating the Delta Airlines stock a strong buy with an average upside of 54%. Coming in ahead of analyst expectations was Walgreens Boots Alliance. For their Q4, they released earnings per share of 80 cents, coming in ahead of analyst expectations by 3 cents. Revenue of $32.45 billion was down 5% year-over-year, but beat estimates by $280 million. For the full fiscal year of 2023, they're expecting adjusted earnings per share of $4.45 to $4.65. The consensus estimate was $4.49. Their stock is currently rated a hold by analysts with an average upside of nearly 12%. And we also heard from BlackRock. Their results came in ahead of analyst expectations, however, their assets did fall. They reported revenue of $4.3 billion. This was a decline of 15% year over year, but did beat analyst estimates by $150 million. Their adjusted earnings came in at $9.55 per share, which was a drop of 16% year over year, but ahead of the estimates of $7.06. Their net flows, which indicate how much money flowed in and out of BlackRock's funds, fell to $16.91 billion. A year ago, they had posted over $75 billion in net flows, and analysts were looking for $123 billion. Currently, the stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 27%. Let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by the NatWest Group after receiving positive analyst coverage. Trading under the ticker NWG, their stock is up 8.5%. They're followed by Top Build under BLD, up 8.3%, and Lloyds Banking under LYG, up 8.2%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by the A.O. Smith Corporation after reporting preliminary Q4 sales. Trading under the ticker AOS, the stock is down 5.8%. They're followed by Delek Logistics under DKL, down about 5%, and Bilibili under BILI, down 4.8%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, make sure you have those notifications turned on, and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.